What's your street name?
I just got caught in the wrong position.
No, you didn't.
I didn't do nothing wrong, man.
You know what? Yeah. And what's the lettering on the side of your face?
Uh, some words.
Hmm?
Some words.
Yeah. What are the words? So here's the thing. You're in a court of law.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
don't do the slang with me because you're the jokester from high school. There is always one.
It's tire sign, shit like stuff like that. Excuse my cousin.
Children are supposed to be proud of their parents, right?
She is proud of me though. I'm a good guy.
No, you're not.
I mean,
All right.
stuff happens. It happens.
No, it doesn't. There's no help for you.
This has to be one of the most cocky and arrogant defendants I've seen in a courtroom in a long time. He's sitting here with zero respect for authority, even while facing up to 2 years behind bars for allegedly stealing somebody's car. And apparently, he's also got a street name. But Judge Boyd came in with the receipts and facts ready to go. I mean, this hearing does turn pretty heated quickly now. And it's clear from the start this guy thinks he could just talk his way out of anything. And what's wild about this whole thing is that instead of showing even a little humility, he doubles down on the attitude the whole time. Let me know in the comments if you think he's telling the truth about not being in a gang, or if you think he's just a gangster playing the court. Let's dive in here.
Court is calling 2024 CR 4372, State of Texas versus Brandon James McCaskill. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Salem.
Defense?
Elizabeth Settle.
And are you Mr. McCaskill?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have your own.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case?
Yes, for probation, for community supervision.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Okay, pause right here. This is where things get real. The judge just laid out the charge. Unauthorized use of a vehicle, which in Texas is a state jail felony. That means up to 2 years locked up and up to a $10,000 fine. But what's more important? Here, the plea deal. See, even though the state's offering probation, the judge doesn't have to honor it. And that's the wild card. A defendant's entire future hanging on whether the court buys their story. Would you roll the dice in that situation? Let me know in the comments.
There's to be restitution, if any, to Miles Brown. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Content.
State any evidence?
Same with an exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
It's just that we would ask that you follow the plea agreement. My client has an 8-year-old daughter and a wife that he supports. He works as a car detailer. So we would just ask that you follow the agreement.
Okay. What's your street name?
No.
That's not what you said in the police report. You said P1 stated that he didn't know Wood's real name and stated that some, I don't know why people are still using the N-word, don't want their name to be known. You feel me? And I respect it. I go by a street name and he go by a street name. That's what we do. So what's your street
I didn't
name?
go by street name, so I don't know why I was in the report.
All right. And what's the 100 on your hand about?
I just 100.
No, what does that mean? You're 100.
It's just authentic, It's old. This is old.
It's what?
It's old. It's old. It really has no significant meaning.
So why would you tattoo 100 on your hand and it has no significant
I
meaning?
mean, it does, but it's not. It's just me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And what's the lettering on the side of your face?
Some words.
Hmm?
Some words.
Yeah. What are the words?
Against all odds.
All right. And what's the tattoo in the center of your forehead about?
It's a broken heart.
All right. And what's the other one?
Blessed.
And what's the neck tattoo about?
It's just some initials.
And what's on the other hand?
It's just a bomb. It ain't nothing.
And what's the initials on your hand?
My partner that got killed. Just in remembrance of my partner that got killed.
So how did he get killed?
gun violence.
Hmm. And why are you riding around with a gun in the vehicle?
Vehicle.
All right, that's what the police report says.
I'll be charged with a gun.
Hmm.
Judge Boyd has this guy backed into a corner from the jump. The police report claims there was a gun involved, yet somehow the charge never stuck. I mean, and honestly, that kind of makes you raise an eyebrow. But regardless, I mean, he's just sitting there smiling and laughing like this is a casual hangout, not a criminal hearing. That kind of body language does tell you a lot about somebody. And it's pretty clear, I mean, this guy is not taking anything seriously right now. I mean, he's looking at up to 2 years for taking somebody else's car, and it's almost like he thinks this is just part of his weekly routine. And the ironic part, he claims he's also a car dealer, so I mean, you make your living around cars, and now you're charged with stealing one. I mean, that's a detail I'm sure the prosecution noticed too. But I don't know about you guys, it's just the way he keeps leaning back, smirking, and glancing at the gallery. It's almost like he's more concerned with his image than the outcome. Courtrooms are not impressed by swagger, they care about facts and compliance. Let's not.
Did y'all catch that moment? The defendant claims he's supporting a family by selling and detailing cars bet weight. Isn't that exactly what he's accused of stealing? I mean, come on. Now we learn there's no legit shop, no equipment. Just some car wash hustling and street talk. You can practically hear the judge thinking, this guy really thinks I'm buying this. Honestly, do you think she should have bought it? Drop your thoughts.
The slang with me
Yes,
because it will not register with me, and it will not register with me purposely on my part.
Yes, ma'am.
So your 8-year-old daughter is with, you say, your wife?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all are legally married.
No.
So that's not your wife. So let's start there. You're not legally married, so that's not your wife. That's the mother of your child.
Yes, ma'am.
You, for some reason, felt she was not worthy to be blessed with a marriage with you. Because did you ask her to marry you? That would be a no. So don't be coming into court using your wife, who is not your wife, and your daughter to play on sympathy of the court.
Right. Most
So
definitely.
that's not, let's start with, that's not your wife. That's the mother of your child. And does she have employment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And she's always had employment.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have not always had employment.
I have.
No.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
And so you're saying you're supporting your wife and your daughter on a salary of detailing cars?
Sell cars and detail cars.
Oh, but not this one, because this one was stolen. So where do you sell and
Wasn't
detail
even- It
cars?
wasn't my vehicle. I was detailing the vehicle, and I got in the situation I'm in now.
All right, what I can
Still
tell
my
you
vehicle.
is nowhere in this police report, many things were said,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
nowhere in this police report do you say that you were detailing that vehicle. You said that Woods loaned that vehicle to you.
No, I said I was detailing the vehicle for him. I don't know why they didn't put it in the police report,
Mhm.
but we always have them type of technicalities.
So you detailing a vehicle for a guy, according to you,
Yes, ma'am.
that you met at the Bear County Jail.
Yeah.
Okay, so where is your shop?
That's like if I met you and
You will not, let me just tell you, you will not be meeting me at the Bear County Jail unless you're a client and I'm an attorney, or unless I'm going to the Bear County Jail to speak to inmates for whatever reason. So where's your detail shop?
I don't have one. I'm starting this from the ground up. I'm mobile. I'm mobile.
Yeah.
I'm a mobile detailer.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the equipments you use to detail since you're mobile, which means you have to take equipment from one place to the other place? Are you just going to somebody's home and using their water and their soap and saying you're a detailer?
Well, unless like I go to a car wash and I do my thing there, I vacuum the car out, tire shine, shit like stuff like that. Excuse my cussing. Yeah, I'm a mobile detailer though.
That's not detailing. I do that to my own vehicle. I vacuum it out.
Use purple power, stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
you know.
Yes, that's something.
detail-
Yeah, that's
detail
something you can
product.
buy from any store.
Tough stuff.
Yeah. All right.
I mean, we gotta
Any-
start somewhere, right?
Sure. And let's hope it's not at the Bear County Jail meeting people that we don't know their names, because we don't do that. We just have street names. Deputy Laura, I don't have a street name. When people see me, they call me Stephanie Boyd.
Her name is Judge.
Yeah, okay, that should be my street name, Judge. All right, this is what the court is going to do.